Hello friends, this is me Zahid Hussain. In this video you will learn that how we can use or apply Sequin in Wilcom software. For example, I have a single running and I have to apply Sequin on this running. So how we can do? First of all, you have to turn off the true view. You have to turn off the true view, and you have must turn on the show needle points. Okay, you must turn on the show needle points, and you have to came back the traveling. Okay, you have to turn off the traveling of the object. You can also do by pressing left click on this tool, start or end tool. First you have to turn off the true view, then you will press on left click here, or you can also turn off the traveling by use any traveling tool. For example, you can press left click on travel by function tool, so all the traveling have turn off. Okay, all the traveling have turned off. So now when you will doing this, it will be none. So you have to click Sequin plate editor button. Now you have to click on Sequin plate editor button. Here you will do the settings of your Sequin. Okay, first of all you will select your sequence, any of this. Then you have to select the size of the sequence. Mostly it used in 3 mm. It can be up to 10 mm. So you will type your sequence size here, and here you will type your sequence whole size. It mostly 1.5. okay, and then you will click on save and then click on OK. And now you will select your sequence from here, and now you will press E button from your keyboard, and now you will press right and left click from your keyboard, right and left arrows keys. Now you will you can press left and right arrow keys from your keyboard, and by pressing space button you can insert or apply sequence or on any needle points. Okay, you will press left and right arrow keys for the traveling, and where you want to apply the sequence you will press space button on that needle point. So in this way you can apply the sequence. You can apply the sequence to up or right side, any side. As you can see. Now you must remember that when you will turn on the true view, you cannot see the sequence. This sequence which we insert or apply manually, it not show in true view, but it is present here. It's present here, but it cannot show in true view. So to show this sequence you have to turn off the true view. When you will turn off the true view, then you can see the sequence. Now one more thing, most important, that if you have to delete this sequence, so if you have to delete this sequence, you have to delete this sequence manually. Most people do that they select the all the objects, and after selecting they click on none button, and this way they think that the sequence has deleted. The sequence has deleted. As you can see that in turn of the true view, the sequence has deleted, but actually the sequence has not deleted. When the machine will make this object, the machine will giving the trims or the holes. So Control Z for undo. You will not delete the sequence by select and by pressing on none button. Okay, you have to delete the sequence manually, as we have created the sequence by pressing space. You will also press first. You have to select your sequence, then you have to press again for delete. You will press again E button from your keyboard, then you will press space button on sequence, and in this way you will delete all the sequence manually. When you will remove the sequence in this way manually, then your machine will not give the holes and trims etc. So in this way you will create or insert the sequence and delete the sequence. So this is the best way to create or insert the sequence. There are some more tools like manual skin and some other tools, but I recommend, if you have to apply the sequence on any running tool, you should insert or apply the sequence manually, as I have told you. Okay, so there are some also other sequence tool, but you should not use these tools for apply the sequence on running tool. For example, there is manual sequence. You can make the sequence. When you will press left click, it will make only the line. When you will press right click, it will put the sequence here. When you will press the left click, it will not make the sequence. Okay, as you can see that I am pressing left click and it is not inserting or apply the sequence, and when I will press the right click of the mouse button, it will apply the sequence on that point where I will press the right click. Okay, and press enter. So you can see that by using this tool, left click for only running and right click for for the point where you have to insert the sequence. But and remember that by inserting sequence by using this tool, we can see this sequence in preview also. But I will not recommend this tool. You should insert the sequence or apply the sequence manually, like this tool. And there is also Sequin Run Auto tool. Okay, by using this tool, you can also apply the sequence, and you should not use this tool also, because you can see that there is one thread here, and the second and a third thread here. So the machine will be stopped here again and again, so it's not good at all. And if you have to use this tool anyway, so you can select them and click on object properties button, and here you can do the setting. For example, if you have to change the spacing, for example 6, so you can see that its spacing has changed. And if you have to bring them close, for example 3, so you can see that its properties has changed. So you can change its more properties etc. So there is one more Sequin Run manual tool. By using this tool, we can also make the sequence, and I also not recommend this tool also. Okay, so the usage of this tool, that you will uh, press the left click for straight line and right click for curve line or circle type line. All these things we have learned in the previous videos. So the topic of this tool is only that where you will press the click, it will insert the sequin only on these points where you will press the click, left or right click, and enter. So you can see that this tool will apply only the sequin on the points where you will press the click, left or right click. And here you can also see that one thread here and a third thread here. So in this tool machine will also stop again and again. So we also don't should use this tool. And one more sequin fill tool. This is sequin fill tool. We can use this tool for filling the objects. For example, click this tool and make object. For example, this. So you can see that by using this tool we can make object and fill the sequin in this object. The sequin will fill automatically in this object. Select the object and click on object properties, and you can change its properties. For example, I am changing its spacing is 4, I give them 6, and I give them 3, 2. Okay, so delete them. We can also apply the sequin fill tool on any object directly. For example, I have a object by making complex fill. Now I have to convert them or change it into sequin fill directly. So select the object and it's simple, select the object and click on sequin fill tool. So you can see that it has converted into sequin fill. And if you have to apply sequence on them, so select the object and press Ctrl D for duplicate. Now this object has duplicated. For example, I change its color, and then you will click on sequin fill. So in this way you can also insert the sequin fill on any object. So now our topic has completed. In this way you can use sequin in your designs. I hope you will like this video, and if you have not subscribed yet our YouTube channel, so please subscribe our YouTube channel for all new updates. And one thing more, that this is a complete learning course. This is a complete learning course of Wilcom designing. In this complete course you will learn completely computer embroidery designing. So for complete course you can visit our website computerhold.blogspot.com, and then you will click on Wilcom button in menu bar. In menu you will click on Wilcom button, and then you will open Wilcom post in English language, and in that post you will get all the details about this complete course. This complete course is paid. I only charge a cheap fee from my students. You can contact me from any country and can get this complete course. In this complete course you will get all the video learning lessons. And also you will get the Wilcom software. Wilcom software E2 and Wilcom software 2006 10 complete version, full version. So our topic has completed. I hope you will like this video, and inshallah we will meet again in next video with the next topic. So goodbye, Allah Hafiz.